Trigger your total body transformation tonight. What if you could eat all your favorite foods, without ever worrying about weight gain? Just imagine about not doing any cardio or high-intensity exercise, not having to eat bland food, not having to spend money on some expensive food supplements. Too good to be true. There is a program that does just that. By sensibly pairing foods. By this method it rapidly releases fat deposits from your hips, legs and stomach. By having the carbs you crave the most. Women in the 30s, 40s, 50s and 60s who have been in this program started reducing the belly fat in record time, and they have been telling the success stories on social media. If you want to know the secret of how you can burn away this stubborn fat in the next 3 weeks, then just hit the link in the description box. This program tells you how you can lose weight by intelligently pairing your foods. You can eat all your favorite food and drink by pairing them intelligently. It is most rapid, safe, rewarding and permanent weight loss plan. This program is not just made to lose weight, but also to lose weight permanently. It is a program that looks into reducing belly fat in the most safest and reliable method. Not only is this weight loss doubling method 100% biologically guaranteed to work for women between the age of 25 to 65 years old, and it is also 100% proven safe. It offers an easy to start, simple to follow, inexpensive methods. By simply pairing ingredients that are available in your kitchen. What are you waiting for? There can be no positive change unless you take positive action. Instead of dieting, counting calories and popping pills, and doing cardio, begin flavor pairing your favorite foods and lose 84 pounds in 6 months. Guaranteed to succeed, and I promise, you will stay as fit as a fiddle. If you found this interesting, then please like, share and subscribe.